We all know that going as long as we can between shampooing our hair in the shower is going to be best, but you know your hair and scalp are going to get a little bit oily, and something that helps prolong the time in between showers for me is this amazing dry shampoo powder that I got from Hair Dance. So at first I was concerned that it wouldn't blend into my hair color because I have darker roots because this comes out white. But I instantly saw that that was not a problem. As soon as I used my fingers to work it into my hair, within a few seconds, you couldn't even see that it was white. I'm so impressed by the list of ingredients. I can pronounce them all. I know that they are good for me, and it just makes me feel better to have this on my scalp. Not only does it take care of the oil, but it also gives me a little boost of volume, which I could definitely use. I've noticed that it's good for more than just one day. My scalp and hair still look amazing the second day. And I got the grapefruit scent. It's very subtle, not overpoweringly fruity or flowery, but has a really nice, refreshing scent to it. I definitely recommend this dry shampoo from Hair Dance. You're going to love it. And that's my point of view.